let's quickly test coding. I wanted to write code for a JavaScript game where there's a stick figure on the screen. The stick figure can move left and right with the A and D buttons and jump with the spacebar. Coins should also be placed randomly on the screen where the player can reach them. When a player touches a coin, the coin should disappear and be collected by the player. Let's see if it will write this code for us. I'll start by using the Claude 3 Sonnet model, and it gave me a large chunk of code to go ahead and copy. I'm just gonna paste it into a notepad here, save it as test.html, and if I open it, I get a white box. That's it. No stick figures, no movement. All right, so I fed the problem back into Claude. It gave me some new code to test. I'm gonna go ahead and overwrite this code, save it, see if we get anything new. Okay. So this time we got a black line and a bunch of coins all over the screen. It didn't really draw it as a stick figure, but jump works. And if I jump and hit a coin, it collects the coins just like that. Look at that. I can jump and collect these coins. Pretty good. And they're all within reach except for maybe that one coin. I can't quite reach it. So second prompt, it actually got it pretty dang close, but it didn't work very well on the first try. Let's go ahead and test out Opus now with the same prompt.